Bakit hindi tayo basta-basta pwedeng tumigil magbayad ng tax sa gobyerno kahit na shitty yung natatanggap nating serbisyo dito? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Sabi ni John Locke dito, governments cannot be supported without great charge, and it is fit everyone who enjoys his shares of protection should pay out of his estate his proportion for the maintenance of it. So, hindi ka pwedeng kumuha ng serbisyo ng gobyerno tapos hindi ka magbabayad ng tax just because you think their service is shitty. Hindi siya katulad ng isang private company na pag ayaw mo ng serbisyo nila, may choice kang iba. It's not about we should not change or improve our government, but we do not know how to improve the government that we have. The values of the government reflects the values of their individual citizen. If you are going to take a look at other examples, like for example, yung Norwegian countries na madalas yung binobrot up, bakit sa ganitong bansa, so on and so forth, bakit sa Japan, bakit sa Australia, so on and so forth, you need to take a look at a different perspective. Rather than taking a look at their government, you need to take a look at the people, putting the people inside their government, or yung mga botante, or yung ordinary citizens nila. Do they reflect the value of their government? The answer is yes. Every election, midterm man yan or yung presidential man yan, kino-compile nung ganong klaseng proseso by voting people, and yung mga binoboto natin yung nagre-reflect ng values ng mga bumoboto. Kaya ultimately, kung ano yung values nung nasa pinakamababa, since may kapangyarihan sila na mag-voice out, doon natin nalalaman yung boses hindi man ng lahat pero ng majority. So ibig sabihin, yung values, yung growing values ng society nalalaman through voting. And need I say more about the values of the Filipino people? I'll give you one example kung paano mag-problem solving ang isang Pilipino. Binoto ko si ganitong kulay, green, pink, yellow, red. So, dapat ayusin nila yung problema ko. Nagbabayad din ako ng tax eh. 'Di ba? Sila dapat yung mag-ayos ng problema na to. Ang ginawa ko na is nagbigay na ako ng contribution doon sa bansa. Dapat ayusin na nila yung problema na yan. Pag di nila inayos yan, wala silang kwenta. Sounds familiar. Now, paying taxes does not automatically grant you the right to demand a perfect or a society that seems fitting to what you like. You know why? Kasi uutusan mo lang yung ibang tao na isolve or iresolba yung problema na nakikita mo, which is technically the easiest part, maghanap ng problema. You would ask other people to solve the big problems dahil lang sa nag-ambag ka ng 2,000 per month na tax. That's tantamount to asking your groupmate sa isang thesis na, hey, gawin niyo yan thesis na yan. Ito ang bag ko, Pansit Canton. Yes, nakakatulong yung tax nyo for maintaining the basic services ng gobyerno. But hindi siya isang lampara ng genie na kung saan pag kiniskis mo, matik masosolve na lahat ng problema mo. Whatever problem that we are experiencing right now is a collective. Hindi lang siya problema ng gobyerno, problema siya ng bawat isang Pilipino. Ngayon, kung puro pera lang ang paaandarin mo at i-expect mo na masosolve ng mga taong babayaran mo yung problema mo, nagkakamali ka.